Hey guys, today I would like to show you a couple of examples to use ML8000 Advanced Limiter by MCDSP. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. We're going to set our mode to soft. We'll use a multi-band version of this, and I'm going to reduce my release to about 4.4. We'll set my focus to variable 1. We'll set my mode to soft as well. We'll reduce our threshold to -4, and I'm going to set my ceiling to -0.5. Leave the release as is. Just adjust our knee to 2. What I would like to manage is bands 3, 4, and 5. We'll set our threshold to -13, -11 for band 4. Actually, we'll set our, and we're ready to listen to it. Here's again before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.